What is heartbreaking and poignant about life on the road is that inevitably each new location becomes home. On Friday, I lost my room key, so I went to the lobby to have Miss Julie make me a new one. She was complaining about the air being so low that it felt like a meat locker everywhere in the hotel. As she wandered off to a room on the first floor to help a guest with their TV remote with her bad knee, I was overcome with a familiar sadness. It tears me apart knowing that sooner rather than later, I will leave the Comfort Inn and Suites in Griffin, Georgia, and likely never come back.